Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors on this somewhat cloudy Saturday, which is too bad because I really wanted to show you this beautiful toxic orange 2011 Challenger SRT-8 392 HEMI that we just got in. This is, again, a 2011, but it only has 13,000 miles on it. Carfax certified, 2-owner car, clean history report, everything that you'd be looking for. Unbelievable to be a 2011 in this kind of condition, but we've got it. It's right here, Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Online at www.holidaymotors.com, and you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. Beautiful interior, just as brand new as it can be. Nice the way that they tied the orange inside, the stripes on the seats, and then the center console here painted to match. 13,007 miles on it. Automatic transmission, heated seats, automatic climate control, great stereo with touchscreen and navigation. Also has the sunroof here, but in amazing condition in every way. Zero apologies about this car. Tons of power, fun to drive, handles great. And that beautiful 392 HEMI in there, ready to roll. Again, you can check it out, all the photos, Carfax history report, and everything at www.holidaymotors.com. Call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. We've got a lot of great financing opportunities. We've got a warranty included, top dollar for your trade, and we can help make arrangements for shipping and getting the vehicle to you for test drive if you're in our local area here. Call or text us today, see how we can help. 757-487-7333. Thanks for watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.